In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop and resize images in Squarespace. First, open your Squarespace site editor so you're looking at the page where you want the image to appear. Hover over the section where the image should go and add a new block. When the block picker opens, choose Image. This creates an image block right on your page and opens the editor for it. Next, add your picture. Click Add an Image. Then either upload a new file from your computer or select one from your existing library. Give it a moment to process so you see a clear preview on the page. If you picked the wrong file, don't worry, you can swap it out in a moment. Let's resize the image block on the page first. Hover over the image until you see the handles appear around the block. Click and drag to make it larger or smaller within the layout. As you drag, watch how your content reflows so the spacing remains balanced. A good tip is to step back a bit and make sure your heading, text, and image feel proportional, especially on desktop and mobile. Now let's handle the crop. Open the image block settings and go to the Design panel. Here you'll see options to control how the image fills its frame. Choose Fill if you want the image to completely cover the shape you select. This will crop parts of the image to maintain the shape. Choose Fit if you want the entire image to be visible with no cropping. This can add spacing around the image if its proportions don't match the frame. Below that, select a shape or aspect ratio, such as original, square, landscape, or portrait. This is where you define the exact crop. After you choose a shape, reposition the subject so it looks right inside the frame. Click on the image to set a focal point, or drag the image within the frame until the most important part is centered. If faces or products are being cut off, switch between Fill and Fit, or try a different shape until it looks clean. If you need to replace the image or adjust basic settings, switch to the Content tab and open the Image section. From there, you can swap the file without rebuilding the block. When everything looks good, click Save at the top of the editor to publish your changes. For consistent pages, repeat the same aspect ratio across similar images so your layout feels unified. And remember, larger images look sharper, but keeping them reasonably sized helps your site load quickly.